Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL U. In this video I'll show you how to find controls. To check controls, swipe down from the top of the screen. Here you can change brightness of the screen, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, set target for SoC, change display mode, manage HUD, change regenerative braking mode, disable speed limit warning, enable hill descent control, cellular data lane assist, and more. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.